All right, today we're gonna bring some polishing rocks, and this can be used for metal, plastic, or pretty much anything you want. Now, if you guys can see, these are pre-processed already. They're all set up, ready to go. You don't have to put anything in here. They're nice and tight, and one runs out, you got plenty to go. Now, they give you a set of different types, all right? If you guys can see that. Right now, currently, we are gonna use more of the tip point version because we do have to sand a 3 model. I'm not going to show you the rest of the 3 model. I'm just going to show you where I'm going to polish it, right? Pretty much it's compatible with a lot of the routers that we have out here, but today we're going to use this one, and this is a Vivor one that we're going to use right now. And you're going to see some of the stone how it runs out, right? Today we're going to use this one in here. All right, so I completed some of the filling. I'm gonna show you guys. This part is smooth right here. This part is really smooth where I like it. So I'm gonna start painting it. I'm gonna smooth it out just a little bit more right here. All right, so if you guys can see, look how smooth it came out. Still a little rough edges here and there, but it's looking really good.